What if I told you that you'll never have to pay for AI video generation again? Sounds crazy, right? Well, I just found a completely free AI video generator that lets you create unlimited high-quality videos, perfect for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. Stick around because in just a few seconds, I'll show you exactly how to access it and start generating videos for free. No limits, no hidden fees. If you love discovering powerful free AI tools, hit subscribe and turn on notifications because trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next. All right, let us dive in. This tool is called Digin AI. To get started, click the link in the video description. It'll take you directly to the site. Once the site opens, do not log in with your actual email. Important note, if you get a sign-in pop-up like this, just cancel it. Logging in with your real email won't give you free credits to generate videos. But don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to get unlimited free credits in this video. So stick around. Here are some examples of creations generated by this AI. Pretty impressive, right? And guess what? You can create unlimited images and videos with this tool completely free. All right, now let me show you the trick to getting unlimited credits. First, click on the Recharge button to sign up for an account. Here's where the trick comes in. Instead of using your actual email, we're going to create a temporary disposable email using Emailnator. Open a new tab and search for Emailnator. Click the first link. Once the site loads, turn off Domain, Gmail+, Google Mail, and leave Gmail only turned on. Now click Generate to get a fresh email. Copy it and click Go After to open the inbox. Go back to the sign-up page and paste it here. Now, click this button to send the verification code. Now, head back to Emailnator. Here's the code. Copy it and paste it here. Click Continue with Email. Now, create a strong password, confirm it, and click Done. Wait a few seconds and boom! We've got 300 free credits, enough to generate 10 to 15 videos for free. Let's start creating. First, upload an image to animate into a video. I used Leonardo AI to generate all my images. You get 150 free credits daily, so you can keep making new images effortlessly. If you don't want to use another tool, you can generate images directly inside Digin AI by entering a prompt here. It only costs 5 credits per image. Now, let's add some background music. You can either select from the built-in options, upload your own music file, or even record your own voice. And here's another cool feature. You can even lip-sync your videos, making your images talk. To turn your image into a video, add a video prompt here and hit Generate. Each generation costs 30 credits, which is super cheap compared to other tools. Each video generated is 10 seconds long. That's mind-blowing because most AI tools charge the same credits for just 5 seconds. For a 10-second video, other tools charge 60+ credits, which gets expensive fast. Once your video is ready, just click Download. It's that simple. How to get unlimited videos. Now, once your credits run out, just go back to Emailnator, refresh the page, get a new email, and repeat the process. And just like that, you can generate unlimited videos for YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram Reels without paying a single cent. Generating vertical videos for Shorts and Reels. Want to make vertical videos? Here's the trick. If you upload a landscape image, you'll generate a landscape video. If you upload a portrait image, you'll get a vertical video. Perfect for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. This time, I'll upload a portrait image. Copy my video prompt, paste it here, add some music, and hit Generate Video. In just a few seconds, it's ready. These kinds of videos are going viral right now. And with this tool, you can automate a faceless YouTube channel and start earning fast. Bonus, making your image talk, lip sync feature. Before we wrap up, let me show you how to make your images talk using the lip sync feature. Start by uploading an image, then turn on lip sync mode. Here's a sample script I used to generate my audio. If you don't have a voiceover, you can upload one. I used 11 Labs to generate this. Now, just add a simple prompt like a lady talking, or leave it blank. Then hit Generate Video. Look at the results. Smooth camera movement, realistic lip sync, and natural facial expressions. This tool is seriously impressive. With this powerful tool, you can effortlessly lip sync any character to your voice in just seconds. Simply upload your video, add your audio, and watch the magic happen. And that's how you can generate unlimited AI videos for free. No more expensive subscriptions. If you found this helpful, do me a favor, hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell icon because I'll be dropping a short video soon on how to remove watermarks from any AI video.